Ano ang naging impluensya ng Kaiser sa buhay mo?
We learned about IMG and Kaiser when we were in Dubai. That was 2007. Upon knowing the importance of healthcare, kasi before my husband was working in Dubai, we were covered by his company. So alam namin ang important siya ng healthcare. And now we realize na pag-uwi namin ng Philippines, wala na kaming coverage because that was for the company. So, buti na lang nakilala namin ang Kaiser. So, kumuha kami ng long-term healthcare ng Kaiser. Yung mag-asawa at saka yung dalawa naming anak. Unfortunately, last June 29, nawala yung anak namin. That's why we're here to claim for the death benefit of our son. So, malaking tulong po. Because when he was in the hospital before he was pronounced dead, we didn't think of anything na stop na yung pagre-revive sa kanya because syempre it will involve money. So, dahil meron siyang Kaiser, we didn't think of the money. We just tried to fight for his life. So, no money issue because we know na may magbabalik. So, that is the importance of having a healthcare. And we would like our members na sana wag nilang ipalaps yung kanilang Kaiser. And we continue our mission to educate people. One of the important things that we have to prepare is our healthcare, especially sa amin na mga senior citizen. We thank Kaiser and also IMG for introducing Kaiser to us.